Hi guys, gals and non-binary pals, welcome back to Budget with Ira. My name is Ira and would you believe it, this channel is all about budgeting. I'm on a debt-free journey to pay back over £10,000 worth of debt so far, so that me and my boyfriend can fulfill our dream of owning our first home together. If you'd like to support me in that journey, please consider subscribing to the channel because I'd love to make this a side hustle. At the moment, we're on 60 subscribers and I appreciate every single one, but if we can make it to 1,000, this could become something really viable for me. Now, if you're on a budget, subscription is 100% free, so it won't cost you anything at all. But it is also 100% optional, so there's absolutely no pressure whatsoever. So, because I'm broke, I like to do what I call a bootleg budget. A bootleg budget for me is because I can't afford any of the Erin Condrens or the Plum Paper or the Happy Planners or anything like that, or at least I can't justify spending money on that, I make it from home with stuff that I've just got lying around the house. At the moment, I'm really enjoying doing a digital version, so I'm going to do that again today and I'm going to just talk you through how I do that. Today's video is sponsored by The Colour. I've been talking about this for a while and it is going to make sense soon. It is going to start to make sense, I promise. So anyway, in today's video, I'm going to make a digital planner and I'm going to print it off to use for the month of July. I'm not going to be sharing any numbers this week. I'm just going to show the design element and how I make it. If you want to know what my numbers sort of look like, I'll refer you to June's SetUp, which is linked in the cards. It's one of those two. So for now, let's get started. If setting up a budget that looks like one of the planners but isn't one of the planners because it costs you absolutely zero is something that interests you, please keep on watching.
I recently updated my logo and I shared that across Etsy, Instagram and YouTube, and I want to reflect that in July's budget.
Hi guys, girls and non-binary pals, thank you so much for getting to the end of the video. The view time, I appreciate it, thank you. If you are a returning viewer and you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, it means a huge deal to me. I'm thinking of sharing these as PDFs. I mean, I don't think they're worth selling because they're quite unique to what I need, but would you like them? And if I can share them, can you help me out sharing them for free? Because I don't feel comfortable selling them because they're really literally 6 bits of paper. I'm not going to sell that to you guys, gals and non-binary pals. So if you know of a way that I can share PDFs with you for free without giving out too much of my personal details, then let me know in the comments down below and I will absolutely share them with you. One of the next videos I am going to post is my actual July real numbers, and we got quite an interesting month because I kept paid 13 times a year and I've got 12 months of the year. It is starting to get more interested in terms of debt repayment, so keep tuned for July's one. Other than that, I'm going to leave you to it. Have a wonderful week. Please consider subscribing. Make sure you sound off in the comments down below if you are interested at all in getting that PDF. Other than that, have a great week. I'll see you soon. Bye.